Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Mittu was a parrot. A green parrot with a red beak. He loved to fly. One day Mittu was flying. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Mittu liked mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mangoes, he said. He flew down to the tree. Cow, cow, go away. This is my tree. Cow, cow, said a voice. Mittu looked up. Cow, cow, go, go, the crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow and he flew away. And Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. He had an idea. He picked up the red balloon. He was very careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree and Mittu went behind the tree. He picked the balloon with his red beak. Pop! The balloon burst. It made a loud noise. Pop! Cow, cow, said the crow. And he fell off the tree. Cow, cow, a big gun is after me, said the crow. Cow, cow. He flew away. He never come back to the tree. And Mittu come to the tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Yummy, yummy, what a nice mango, he said. He was very happy and clever, Mittu. And the moral of the story is be clever like Mittu and don't be afraid. I hope you like this story. This story is very interesting and good story. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can watch our video on time. Thank you so much for watching.